It's AumSum time!
What if we rode horses instead of driving cars?
Cool. Horses love me.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if we only rode horses, delivery guys may not be able to deliver pizzas anymore.
But why?
Because horses might start eating them. Secondly, if we only rode horses, we humans may not remain the richest in the world anymore.
But who will replace us?
Horses. They will start charging heavily for their services. They might become rich very, very quickly. Lastly, if we only rode horses, horses might leave for a different planet.
Really?
Yup, because even wild animals might start riding horses. Hence, horses might decide to leave for good.
To buy AumSum merchandise, visit AumSum.com.